Running an educational institution means more than teaching. It means managing people, safety, systems, and expectations. From teacher certifications and class schedules to campus safety, attendance, and compliance, every detail matters when shaping minds and futures. Introducing BAS, an all-in-one platform to help schools, colleges, and universities manage their operations with confidence and control. With powerful tools for smart scheduling. Assign teachers, substitute staff, and support teams quickly with a system that aligns skill sets with classroom needs. Biometric attendance. No more roll calls or proxy sign-ins. Track real-time student and staff attendance. Instantly and accurately, access control. Secure labs, staff rooms, exam halls, and equipment storage, with precise permission levels for staff and students. Productivity tracking. Measure teaching loads, spot gaps in coverage, and support your staff with meaningful, data-driven insights. Visitor management. Track and manage parents, guests, contractors, with secure check-ins that protect your students. Compliance tracking. Never miss a training, audit, or renewal again. Stay aligned with education authority standards and safety regulations. Empower your staff. Protect your students. And keep your school running smarter, with a system built for education. BAS, smart, secure, school ready. For more info visit www.intercorpsolutions.com.